More news coming in. Hindu temple in Bangladesh has been attacked. ISKCON temple in Meherpur has been vandalized. Miscreants go on a rampage, vandalize the temple. Idols vandalized in ISKCON temple in Meherpur in Bangladesh. Amini Krishna Das from ISKCON in Dhaka is now joining us. Thank you for your time and we appreciate your speaking with us at this moment where things are very difficult. We understand, sir, that temples are getting attacked. आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे ये क्राइसिस के बारे में, जिस तरीके से मेहरपुर में भी अटैक हुआ है टेंपल पे? ये बहुत ही worrisome सिचुएशन है इस समय बांग्लादेश में.
बहुत आभार करता हूँ आपको. बांग्लादेश में कल लगभग 4-5 दिन से बहुत हमला हो रहा है
जी.
लगभग 29 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हमला हो गया. लास्ट नाइट हमारा इस्कॉन टेंपल मेहरपुर में गाउन पाउडर से मंदिर का तोड़फोड़ किया, मंदिर आग लगा दिया, हमारा जो ठाकुर जी का विग्रह आग लगाया. फेनी, नोआखाली, सिराजगंज, मयमनसिंह, যশোर, खुलना, Feni, Guru Chakra temple, and so many ISKCON temples they have attacked.
Okay.
And our Hindu communities house, tader business area they have attacked. Now we have locked our temple in Dhaka. This situation is very bad now. Please help us, then we can recover this situation.
I understand. If you could please give us an idea about how many temples have come under attack, because ISKCON, we understand, is a network. There would be more than one temples. You told us about the temple in Meherpur, but there is a concern that many such temples have come under attack. Hindus are also coming under attack.
Yeah. Whenever there is some difficulty going on in Bangladesh, definitely they have attacked temple, minorities, house, their business center, and our temple. Basically, ISKCON temple, we have more than 150 ISKCON temple all over Bangladesh. We have so many programs, and then people they are gathered in temple. In between that time, some ferocious people they have attacked our temple. Last night I have heard more than 15 temples they have attacked all over Bangladesh.
What is now your expectation, given that there is no government here? What about the law and order situation? What about the police? Are they coming to your rescue? Are they helping you?
But now our law and order is very much, there is no law and order because military, they have taken over Bangladesh government's in charge.
Understand.
No police, they are not taking any helping to us because ferocious people, they have attacked police people also.
So, a sense of uncertainty, fear. I understand that the temples have been attacked. There is a big crisis when it comes to the Hindus, the minorities living in Bangladesh. What is it that you intend to do right now?
Now we are praying to Lord and lock our temple, and we call so many our congregational devotees. They have helping us to take over our temple and to protect us.
Okay. Other than that, it is a wait and watch kind of a situation, sir?
Now situation is very stable. Sometimes they are attacking in night time. Daytime also, some ferocious people, they come and more than 300, 500 people come and they attack and they'll go.